Dear students, I welcome you all for today's virtual class. I hope you stay safe at home and attending online classes. Now let us continue the lesson The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Before that, let us recall what you have learned in the previous classes. The story The Fun They Had is a work of fiction that is set in the future. Tommy finds a real book which has been printed on paper. Tommy and Margie take a look at it together. The book is really old and pages are yellow and crinkly. Tommy says that it is about school. Now I am going to read the third paragraph. All of you listen carefully. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Margie hates school because her teacher gives her test after test in geography and she scores low marks in those tests. So her mother is upset and sends for the county inspector. If you have textbook, you please underline the words. Otherwise, you write in a separate paper. The opposite of hate is love. And also the meaning of the word county inspector, computer mechanic. Now I am going to read the fourth paragraph, page number 6 and 7. Continuation is in the next page. All of you listen carefully. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools and with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. Large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot, where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now underline the word slot. The meaning of slot is a given space. Now let me explain the paragraph now. The county inspector comes to Margie's house. He inspects the computer. He separates the parts and repairs. Then he assembles the parts. Margie is upset because her computer is ready to display lessons. Like most of you, Margie hates homework and tests. Do you know, children, the part she hates most in the computer is the slot where she has to insert the homework and test. Now I am going to read the fifth paragraph. Page number 7. The inspector had smiled after he had finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" The computer mechanic seemed to be an expert. He sets everything right within an hour or so. He adjusts the geography sector to an average 10-year-old level. He informs Margie's mother that her performance is also satisfactory. What is the name of Margie's mother? Mrs. Jones. Margie doesn't expect this. She hoped that there will be major repair and he may take the computer away from their home. Once Tommy's computer was taken away, as the history sector displayed nothing. Blanked out means displayed nothing. He got 1 month vacation. Let me read the next paragraph. Paragraph number 6, page number 7, and the continuation is in page number 8. Now I am going to read the text now. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He had added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, Anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Now I am going to explain this paragraph. Tommy is senior to her, so he wants to show her that he is superior to her. Tommy tells her that the book is about the kind of school centuries ago, and he says that man is working as a teacher. As I had already told you, students, the story is set in the future. Both Marg and Tommy have school at home and mechanical teachers to teach them. So they wanted to know about the kind of school we have now. Students, you can understand this better because you have seen two kinds of school in your life. The first one is the life with a building and human beings as teachers. And the next one is the school you have now, that is virtual class. The story is apt for the present COVID-19 scenario. Please note down the meanings for the difficult words now. Loftily means in a superior way. Regular means permanent. Hurt means feel pain. The opposite or antonym of regular is irregular.